Hi there, I'm Kate, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 top tips for successful Infusible Ink projects. Tip number 1, it's really important that your cutout design doesn't slip around on your blank, so heat resistant tape is your best friend. You can use this to make sure that your design is taped down and really secure onto your blank. Tip number 2, to ensure really nice crisp edges on your Infusible Ink project, you must make sure that you keep your easy press completely still when you're applying the heat onto your project. If you move it around at all, you could well find that the edges of your project are slightly blurred. It's for that reason that you can't use an Easy Press Mini for Infusible Ink projects, since they need to be moved around constantly. Tip number 3. It's really important that you use a Cricut heat mat when you're making Infusible Ink projects. You'll just get far better results. If you're a beginner, you'll find that you get much better results starting out with projects that are smaller than the size of the heat plate on your Easy Press. That way, it means you can apply the heat and have your project done in one pass. Tip number 4. If you're using a blank which has got raised edges like collars for a t-shirt, handles for a bag, or this drawstring bit for this wine bag here, because that's creating a raised surface, it means that if you pop your Easy Press on top, it won't be completely flat against your project. So what you need to do is move your blank slightly off your heat mat so that all of the fabric which is on the heat mat is perfectly flat. Tip number 5, you must make sure that the table that you're working on is perfectly flat. I know that this table is slightly wibbly wobbly, so I always place a flat piece of wood underneath my mat here to make sure that I get really nice, perfect results every single time when I'm making Infusible Ink projects. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found those tips useful, and don't forget to watch our other videos for lots more project ideas and hints. Bye bye.